Here we are, we've put on some auxiliary lights. Been thinking for a few weeks quite where to put these things. As you can see, they're enormous. We've come off an aircraft carrier. Anyway, we'll get a bracket made up, welded onto the crash bars here, I think. Okay, we're off to the Sanai, get some brackets made, and a welder, find a welder to weld them on, and Monty's come for a ride out today as well. Hi everyone! Here we are, in the metal shop, just getting the brackets made up.
And all my little friends are in my computer. Poor man. Making him self-conscious now.
Nereye takılacak ama? Şimdi göstereceğiz sana. Şimdi teşekkür. We have the engine going so that the electric current going through the arc welding doesn't interfere with the chip, the processing unit. Go, all done. Here we are, just called round at Mick's and he's got his Dragstar in pieces.
When did you start it?
I think he's adjusting the valves.
You've done well then.
Yeah, well.
It's a bit dirty though, Mick, look.
Mick, say hello to the world.
Hello the world.
There we go. Right, back from the Sanai, which means industrial area. He's knocked up a couple of brackets, welded them on as you can see. Ever such a good chap, didn't charge me. I gave him a couple of lira anyway. So we'll see how we get on with these. I'm not going to wire them up just yet because I really sort of want them working from the flash switch over here. But apparently if you take this apart there's 5 million springs waiting to jump out. So I think that'll be a job for the main dealer. The light's sticking up proud of the crash bars, so I might actually make a cover perhaps to go around there. I'll think about it. So.
Hi everyone, out on Monty again. A few jobs to do this year, he's got a few scratches. Not done by me of course, they need sorting out. Of course if David had a bike like mine he wouldn't have all these problems. That's just about it. Hello everyone.
Or even goodbye.
Oh goodbye, yeah.